Welcome to Tech Research. If you're living outside India and you are a cricket lover, nowadays IPL is going on in India. I'm living here, Copenhagen, Denmark. So how you watch Tata IPL absolutely free using NordVPN? You can get this subscription very affordable prices and receive 4K clarity Tata IPL with the help of Jio Hotstar. So first of all, I will introducing NordVPN. What is the charges of NordVPN? Let's start. So first of all, just simply open Google and type here NordVPN, and this is the official link, and here the pricing related information is available. I personally use NordVPN a couple of months continuously and I'm receiving really impressive features. The plan related information, if you select here 2-year plan, so you can pay just only 20 Danish krona, around $3 per month. It's very affordable if you're living outside India. If you use this one for 2 years, so you can pay here just only $55 to $60 for 2 years. You can get this subscription less than $60. That would be really affordable. If you really interested to get this subscription, I already added my referral link in video description as well as pinned comment. Now I will show you which types of footage we are receiving in our television using NordVPN. If you use NordVPN, you can get the access at a time in your smartphone, mobile, laptop and television as well. So now I will show you which types of footage we are receiving on my television. Let's see. So this is the Sony Bravio TV. I just simply on here, and if you visit here App Store, so I already installed here the NordVPN application. You can enter here, or you should install the NordVPN in your television. It's very easy, search and just install. Afterward, I just simply open the NordVPN. You already created the NordVPN account using your laptop. Afterwards, you just simply log in here using your username password very easily in NordVPN here. Afterwards, the NordVPN is activated. So here, which country you want connected here. So first of all, I just simply select here India and connect. You just connect once. Afterward, you can connect one time and no need to connect always. This one is absolutely working always. If you shut down your television and after turn it on, so still the Indian network is connected. It's very impressive compared to other VPN network. And afterwards, we can install here Jio Hotstar. If you are not using in VPN, so Jio Hotstar is not able to download and install in Europe. Especially, I just simply open here Jio Hotstar, and especially the Jio Hotstar is absolutely free, no need to pay anything. And look at this here, yesterday's match. So highlight, if I play this one, and the clarity we are receiving absolutely 4K clarity, that would be really impressive. For I am lover of cricket, so I just get the Jio Hotstar subscription as well. So I am receiving this footages in 4K clarity. If you see here, if you are not receiving, so you can receive 1080 pixel, but I am just paying here some of the money and I am receiving this 4K clarity. And one of the important parts here, this video footage is not buffering if your internet is working well. It's really impressive, not blur images are coming, exactly 4K we are receiving. Apart from the cricket, we can watch other TV channels as well, like a Sony Live, Amazon Prime based on India. So you just simply download those applications in your television and watch Indian channel as well using NordVPN absolutely free. You just pay once in NordVPN subscription, rest of you just install the application and enjoy this feature. This is the really and easiest way. So this is the simple video. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.